how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. Now this is very simple. All you need to do is first open up YouTube and then go to your profile that's on the top right. Now there you will see YouTube Studio. Open it. After you open it, on the top right corner you will see an option to upload a video. Now you can select any file that you want to upload. Just select a video. After you've selected a video, just rename the video. Let me just randomly name this video and then put a description on it. Now you can type whatever you want, even hashtags, and then put on any if it's on any playlist, you can put it on. Now you can select if it's made for kids or not. Let me just put it on no, it's not made for kids. And next you can put on video elements. Then next you can check if the video has any issues, and then go to the next again, and there you can select any visibility that you want your video to be on, and then just save. No, I'm sorry, I've not clicked on the visibility. Let me just make it private and then save. Now the video has been uploaded, it's being uploaded.